Stuck on calculus? Feeling lost? Those tricky problems making you scratch your head? Here is the truth. Watching someone else solve a math problem is like watching someone else work out at the gym. You can watch all day, but you won't get stronger. To really get good at calculus, you need to do the lifting. That's exactly why I created the free Geometry and Algebra Fundamentals course. It's your zero-risk way to build a rock-solid foundation. Clear lessons, step-by-step guidance, and practice exercises that you can actually do. Stop just watching, start doing. Get confident, understand the why, and prepare to ace your exams. Ready to truly master calculus? Click the link below and enroll in your free course today.